Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga session. In today's practice, we'll be focusing on linking breath with movement while using a chair for support. Let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. Inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. Exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part to our three-part breath, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale, belly, then ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Reach your right arm forward, cup your left hand, and gently tap up the inside of your right arm and down the outside, waking up the energy of your body. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Cup your right hand and gently tap up the inside of your left arm and down the outside. And release. Using your fingertips, rhythmically tap across your collarbones to the center of your chest and back again, waking up your thymus and stimulating your heart center. Continue here or adding kitty paws, making a loose fist. Gently tap across your collarbones to the center of your chest and back again. And release. Step your feet wide. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, folding forward, sweeping towards the earth. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, folding forward. Continue flowing with this movement, wrapping it around your breath. And release, returning to center. Transitioning into a modified cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing Adding cactus arms. Inhale, open your arms wide with your elbows bent, palms facing away. Lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, forearms and palms to press. Inhale, lift through your heart, stretching across your shoulders and chest. Exhale, round your spine, feeling a gentle stretch across your upper back. Continue with this movement, flowing at your own pace. From here, draw your elbows in towards your sides, palms facing upward, chest lifting. Exhale, round, forearms and palms to press. Continue with this movement, wrapping it around your breath. And release, returning to center, transitioning into modified sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, adding cactus arms. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, keeping your spine long. Inhale, lift to a flat back with cactus arms, feeling your core strong. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, arms sweep overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift to a flat back, adding cactus arms. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. One more time. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back with cactus arms. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lengthening through your left side body. Return to upright. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, bow to the left, breathing wide into your right side body. Return to upright. Inhale, lift through your heart, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, opening through your front body. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest, sending the point between your shoulder blades back, stretching across your upper back. Continue flowing at your own pace. And release, returning to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, and your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. With each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left hand behind you for support. Inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward. Exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Adding a gentle ear massage. Using your thumbs and index fingers, gently massage your earlobes in small circles, stimulating the energy points that run through your ears and into your body, triggering the release of good endorphins, boosting your immune cells, and reducing stress. And release. Adding a massage for your jaw, use the soft pads of your fingertips and make small circles on the hinge of your jaw. Be sure to release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and the backs of your teeth as you continue breathing deeply. And release. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Continue cultivating awareness as you allow your breath to help you get centered, feeling your breath move in and out, allowing it to be easy and natural, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
After filming over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr for public television, we're proud to present Happy Yoga on Demand. Over the last 10 years of teaching chair yoga, Sarah Starr has become the foremost expert in creating accessible yoga practices. And with this online streaming service, you're able to have access to the entire Happy Yoga catalog, including all the Happy Yoga episodes, live audio yoga classes, breath, and meditation.
Each portal provides you with a customized experience, including our accessible yoga portal, featuring our gentle yoga programs for anyone who wants to know how to start a practice, or if regular yoga just seems like too much, but still want to receive the benefits of yoga without getting out of your chair. Also included are the Mastering Balance programs, which allow you to experience seated and standing postures to strengthen your core, increase stability, balance, and muscle tone using a chair for support. From there, you have the option to take your practice to the yoga mat. If you've been doing accessible yoga and are looking for more of a challenge, our Intermediate Yoga Portal provides you with a dynamic yoga practice with a variety of sessions, allowing you to grow your practice at your own pace. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for inspiration to grow your practice, we have a yoga session for you. Visit happyyogaondemand.com.